Welcome to my channel. Today you will learn Adobe Lightroom 6.9 from my video. Today part 1, just importing photos and familiar to Lightroom's new interface. This is library. All your imported photos are appear here. We can import photos more than one way. In folders area, you can click this plus sign in folders area. Then add folder. You can also click file menu and import photos and videos. Here you can explore your hard drive. This is some photos from my hard drive. These photos are all checked. All is selected. You can uncheck all photos, or after uncheck all photos you can select your own choice. Here I select some photos and uncheck. I want to check all my photos. I want to check all my photos and I want to click import. All photos is importing. Done. This is my photos which I imported just now. In this area you can see all your photos in bottom. All your photos. By double click you can zoom in a photo. You can hide those option areas. By clicking this arrow second time, it will reappear. By clicking this grid view, you can back your old view, all photos view from single view. This is single view. You can rating your photos. You can rotate left or right from here your photos. You can add face region from here. For this I need to click some people's photo. This is a people's photo. Here two people's appear. I have write the person's name and hit enter button. Sorry, we forgot to we forgot to hit enter button here. Now it's okay. I can rate photos here. I am clicking 4 star and flags are appears here. You can flag your photos and you can unplug by clicking this button. Now you can see a tag icon appears. By clicking this arrow button you can go back your old view panel. Now some options. If you want to edit your photos more in depth, you need to um, click develop tab. We will show you develop options in my upcoming videos. Here you see some color presets. This is blue filter presets. You see the changes. You can undo your change by by pressing Ctrl Z or Command Z on your Mac. Here is white balance option. Now keywording. You want to add keyword from here in your photos. I want to add two keyword in my photos. Flower, flower on the car. You can search photos later by the keyword. When you add thousands and thousands of photos, you can add keyword sets here. Here you see the recent keyword. You can create keyword sets here. Keyword list. Keyword which I created sometimes ago will appear is appearing here. You can check more keyword or uncheck previously added keyword. Metadata. You can add metadata from here. Photos title, caption, copyright information, all you can add from here. By double clicking the photos, you can zoom in the photo. Now you can see a small hand tool is appear here. You can click and hold and drag the move the photo. By single clicking the photo, it will come back the previous view. One click to zoom and then one click to zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Sorry, very sorry for my bad English, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you viewers.